spices and aromas. I am Rovena. I am all excited to share with you a special recipe for a beloved Mangalorean dish, pork bafat. This isn't just a recipe, a treasured recipe handed down by my grandmother Juliana Fernandez. I am going to show you the exact method of how she prepared pork bafat. For those who are pressed with time, I have a convenient alternative for you, the Rovena Masala powders. The Rovena Masala powders are prepared by me. I do not add any kind of artificial colors or flavors. Instead of the whole spices that I mentioned in the recipe, you can use this powder and follow the same recipe as per the video. To buy the powder, you can find the link in the description box. So, let's start the preparations. On a steel rack, I am roasting the onions and the garlic. Our ingredients are ready for this recipe. I have taken 1 kg pork, 4 onions, 2 garlic pods, 6 to 7 green chilies, 1½ ginger and 5 to 6 bay leaves. For the masala, I will be using 15 red chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of jeera, ½ teaspoon of peppercorns, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, lemon-sized tamarind, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds or cuscus, small piece of turmeric, 1 teaspoon mustard, roasted garlic and roasted onions. Please do like, follow and subscribe my channel for all the updates. Now we need to broil the ingredients for our masala. It's important to fry them in the right order because some ingredients take longer time to roast than others. Let's start with the red chilies. Next goes 2 tablespoons of coriander. Fry until you get a good fragrance. Next add 1 teaspoon of cumin and continue frying. Add ½ teaspoon of peppercorns. Add the cloves and the cinnamon and continue roasting them briefly. Be careful with the mustard. They shouldn't be fried for too long as they can make the curry bitter. Turn off the flame and add poppy seeds if you are using them. Since this ingredient is not available in some countries, it's optional to use. Once you are done and the ingredients are cooled, add it to the mixie and grind it along with the onions and the garlic that we had roasted previously. Also add the tamarind and grind the ingredients to a smooth paste. This careful broiling process ensures that each spice releases its full flavor, contributing to rich and complex flavor. Now our masala is ready. Let's mix all the ingredients together. I always cook pork in clay pot. I just added pork and the masala to it, seasoned with some salt, and now I'll be adding vinegar. Mix everything well to ensure masala is coated. This freshly ground masala is the heart of our pork bafat. Please check the description box for the links of preparing bafat in cooker and using powders. I am adding 4 to 5 bay leaves, 2 garlics. I have just cut the garlic into 2 pieces. Now I just added finely chopped ginger, green chilies. Just look at it, I have slit it lengthwise. Then the onions, so I have made quite bigger pieces of the onions. I also added the masala water after cleaning the mixie, and now I will give a good mix. I am done with adding all the ingredients. I just have to cook this on slow fire for 1 hour. In case you are pressed with time and you want to make your cooking easy, just add 4 tablespoons of Rovenas Bafat masala and follow the same method as shown in the video. For fast cooking and saving the fuel, cover the pot with a lid and place some weight on top. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the pork from sticking to bottom. After an hour, you will notice the fat floating on top, which is a clear indication that the pork is cooked and tender. Once you're done with the cooking, do not cover it with a lid. You can either cover it with a muslin cloth or a wickered plate, which we call kurpono in Konkani. Grandma style delicious pork is ready to serve. I hope you all will try this recipe. I have got some bread. You can also try it with sannas. Thank you friends for joining me in kitchen today. I'll be back with more exciting recipes for you. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.